All right, here we are. This is my arcade from when I was 10. It was called the Mix It Shop. It was just down the street from where we live. I built my favorite games. And so if you open pole position, so you just hit enter, and then you hit F to bring it full screen, spacebar, and then I'm qualifying. Let's hope I remember gear up. Oh, I think Mount Fuji could be a little bit flatter. But other than that, pole position, you'd qualify first, then you can come here. And the old classic, obviously, is Space Invaders. Hey, and then, like, can you imagine, like, spending hours doing this, and quarters? These games weren't cheap. This was one of the toughest games going when I was a kid. So these are arrow keys, controlled by the arrow keys. Mission failed, too much speed. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. You got, come on, come on, come on, come on. I feel like Neil Armstrong here. There I did. Grand Prix. You come past some cars and stuff. And I don't know if the detail on this one is exactly what it was supposed to be. Because, oops, I never played Grand Prix, but it's Activision from '82. So, anyways, that's it. That's the Mix It Shop. I hope you like my tour of my arcade, a la 1981, including the awesome carpet. Take it easy. Bye bye.